Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Subaru Outback spark plugs. This task is surprisingly manageable with the right approach. First, gather your essential tools: a 3/8-inch drive ratchet, various extensions, and a 5/8-inch spark plug socket. You'll also need new spark plugs, anti-seize compound, and dielectric grease. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work to prevent injury and ensure proper component handling. Now, let's get to those spark plugs. For safety, always disconnect your battery's negative terminal first. On the passenger side, you'll need to remove the air intake box and its connecting tubes to clear some space. Next, unbolt the power steering pump and gently move it out of the way. There's no need to disconnect any lines. Finally, carefully detach the ignition coils by pressing their clips and pulling them straight up from the spark plugs. With the coils removed, you can now access the spark plugs. Use your 5/8-inch spark plug socket with an extension to carefully remove the old plugs. Before installing the new ones, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new plug. Also, put a dab of dielectric grease inside the boot of each ignition coil. Hand tighten the new plugs, then use a torque wrench to 25 foot-pounds for proper seating. You're almost done. Now, carefully reinstall the ignition coils, making sure they click firmly onto the new spark plugs. Next, reattach the power steering pump securely and put the air intake system components back in their original positions. Finally, reconnect the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and listen for any unusual noises. Your Subaru Outback should now run smoothly with its fresh spark plugs, improving performance and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.